Yeah, it's working, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. So a lovely hello to all my dear kids, my 10th champions, all warriors of board exam 2026, my all 10th champion. I hope you all are good, and I'm pretty sure you guys must be serious now, and you guys are studying well for your board exam 2026 with full determination and dedication. Okay, so sorry for delay, my dear kids. There was some technical glitch over there, so that's why I got delayed. Sorry, I apologize. Okay, so first let me know everything is fine. Am I audible to you guys, everyone? Am I audible and clearly visible to you guys? Just let me know in comment section. Give me thumbs up, my dear kids, so that I can move forward to the session. Very fantastic session of triangle. Yeah. Give me thumbs up in comment section if everything is fixed. You all can hear me. I'm audible and visible to you all. My all champions, class 10th warriors. Okay, just wait a little while so that other can join. Yes, sir. Satyam Argari. Thank you, Satyam, for confirmation. Hi, buddy. Okay. So welcome you everyone on your favorite channel, Deeksha Vedantu, and in your favorite series, GOAT series, exclusively for your board preparation. Okay. So you guys were fantastic, amazing in previous session of arithmetic progression. So I'm pretty sure you guys will be fantastic, amazing in today's session also, and that is of triangles. So in this session, I'll be completing your chapter, including one very important gift for you, that is mind map. So in this live session, we'll be doing questions, 15 questions, most important, including PYQs, most expected and competency based. So this session will be your complete package for you all. So let's begin without wasting a moment. Okay. So I'm looking at your chat box, chat section. I'm waiting for others to be joined so that I can see who perform well. Okay, superb. So let's move to the session. Let's move to the class. Okay, so mind map plus important questions we'll be solving today of triangles. So moving to question number 1. Sorry if mind map. Okay. So I'll be giving you mind map at the end of the session, so don't worry for that. So first do the questions. Okay, so moving to question number 1, look at the question, my dear kids. In the given figure, AD by BD equals to AE by EC, and angle AD is equals to 70 degree. So what will be angle B? Angle BEC is 50 degree. Then you have to find out the value of angle BCA. Don't worry, I'm here. Who can answer me? Who can answer me this question? Let's see who can answer this question. So there are 4 options. I'm looking at chat section. Who can answer me this question? Okay, let's do. Okay, so the question is, in the given figure, AD by BD. Where is AD? Look, my dear champion, this is AD, and by BD equals to AE by EC. Means one information is given to you, AD by BD equals to, my dear champions, AE by EC. Oh, wow. If AD by BD equals to AE by EC is given to you. So this is basically BPT. Basic proportionality theorem, which is commonly called Thales theorem. So if this information is already given to you, you can use converse of BPT. When this condition can be fulfilled, when DE will be parallel to BC. So if this information is already given to you, you can conclude that DE is parallel to BC. And if DE is parallel to BC, it implies that this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Simple. Yes, due to corresponding angles. Now, AD equals to ADE, angle ADE equals to 70 degree given to you, and angle BAC is equals to 50 degree, my dear champions. Okay, now we have to find out BCA. Where is BCA? BCA, don't worry, this is BCA, this is BCA. So my dear champ, if ADE is 70 degree. This is 70 degree here. And BAC, where is B? BAC, this is 50 degree. So 70 plus 50 is 120. 120, so this angle will be 60. And if this is 60, it has to be 60 also. Yes, because D is parallel to BC. So angle BCA is equal to basically 60 degree. So D is your correct answer. D is your correct answer. Yes, cat lover. Absolutely, definitely. Your answer is correct. 60 degree is correct answer. So that's just 2 or 3 lines is required to solve this question. Nothing to worry. Is it clear? Very easy question. Moving to question number 2. But such question comes generally in your board exam. Yes, board asks frequently, such questions comes in your board exam. So you have to be prepared for that. Okay. Now moving to question number 2. Look at question number 2, dear. Question number 2. Yes, cat lover. Okay, so do question number 2. Try this question, my dear champs. You all can do this question. Let me see who is responding here. Very good. Yeah, question number 2. Can you do? Where is your chat section? I want to see your messages, guys. Just a bit, just a second. Yes, sir. Very good. Okay, moving to question number 2. Look at the question number 2. P and Q are points on the sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. If AP equals to 2 cm, PB equals to 4 cm, AQ equals to 3 cm, QC equals to 6 cm, then prove that. So this question is proof type. Don't worry. Draw the diagram first. So draw the diagram. P and Q are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. So there must be a triangle ABC. So look, my dear, this is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Very good. Now read the question carefully. P and Q are points on the sides AB and AC. Very good. So P is here and Q is here. Look, P is on the side AB and Q is on the side AC respectively. Now we can join this PQ. So this is all about here PQ. Okay, now AP equals to 2 centimeter. Very good. So AP equals to 2 centimeter. Where is PB? PB is 4 centimeter. Very good. AQ is basically 3 centimeter. And QC, this QC is of course 6 centimeter. But we have to prove here BC equals to 3 PQ. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now check. Check first BPT is applicable or not. BPT is applied here or not. Then we can move to converse of BPT. Don't worry. So check BPT first. So for BPT, AP divided by PB must be equal to AQ divided by QC. Now put the values. AP is 2 centimeter, very good. PB is 4 centimeter, very good. AQ is 3 centimeter, very good. And QC is 6. So 2 to the 4 and 3 to the, wow. Means the ratios are equal to 1 by 2 each other. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, both are equal to each other. RHS is equal to LHS. Means BPT is applied. BPT has fulfilled. And once the BPT has fulfilled, it means by converse of BPT, we can say here PQ will be parallel to BC. I hope this is clear to you. And once you have proved it, PQ is parallel to BC. It implies that, so angle APQ will be equal to angle ABC, by corresponding angle. Yes, we can write by corresponding angles. Is it clear? And angle A is equal to angle A, which is common. I am talking about two triangles. So this triangle APQ, so triangle APQ will be similar to whole triangle, complete ABC. Now you might be thinking, sir, why you are considering these two triangles? Why you are operating these two triangles? Because now look at the proof. BC is the part of bigger triangle. And PQ is the part of a smaller triangle. That is why I have proved here similarity to each other. so that we can move towards BC and PQ. Now, if triangle APQ is similar to ABC, their corresponding sides will be in same ratio. So we can write here PQ. If I'm taking PQ here, we have to take BC here. BC is equals to, now you can take AP, any one side, any one pair, AP, so you have to take AB here, AB. Now put the values, PQ divided by BC, AP is what, my dear? AP is 2, very good. And AB is what? AB is complete. This is 2, this is 4, so the summation will be 6. 2, so we can cancel here 3. So now cross multiply. So after doing cross multiplication, BC equals to 3 PQ. Hence proved. Hence proved. Sir, I need one help. Please upload PDF chapter notes. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll be providing you PDF notes as well, cat lover, for all subjects, because in our WhatsApp channel there are only link of your videos. Okay, so you want PDF? Don't worry, cat lover. I'll be providing you. We are here to give you complete academic solution. Don't worry, my dear. So I hope this is clear to you. Please take a screenshot, and if you are writing the solution, it would be very nice of you. So better is to solve the questions along with me. Practice the questions, because this is your final phase preparation. So don't waste your time. If you're coming in a live session, don't sit for formality. Do the question, practice the questions along with me also. Okay, so take a screenshot, or you can write the solution by taking a screenshot later on. Okay, moving to question number 3. Very powerful question. Very powerful question. Question number 3. So I have mentioned here HOTS. HOTS means, you might be thinking, oh, HOTS means higher order thinking skills. Higher order. So this question is basically HOTS category. Very powerful question. So I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. Try this question, guys. Yes. Side, please. Yes. The board is yours. Okay. So look at the question. Okay, now let's do the question. Okay, in a triangle PQR, N is a point on PR such that QN perpendicular to PR, if PN cross NR equals to QN square, prove that angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Wow, very good question. Hello, Vaibhav, these, see, your board exam are so close, my dear. So see, instead of focusing on basic question, if you will practice high level questions, intermediate questions, your basic will automatically cleared. So don't go to basics now, because you are doing final phase preparation. You don't have so much of time. Your exam are so close. So what I'm doing here, when I used to do any high level question, I used to explain the basics also. So don't worry for that. Everything will be cleared. You need to focus. Please sit with complete focus, my dear. Okay, let's do. बस यही chapter नहीं आता. So stay in this live session, my dear. Stay in this live session. Okay. Stay in this live session. Now you will, at the end of after post live session, you will feel very confident. This I am assuring you, my dear. Vaibhav, I hope. Okay, so let's do this question. So in a triangle PQR, let me use white color. White will be more visible. Okay. In a triangle PQR, N is a point on PR. So what you need to do here? Draw the diagram first. Don't be so quick. Don't do the, no. Draw the diagram quick, easily, comfortably. So there is a triangle PQR. Okay. 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 So this is the triangle PQR. What happened? PQR. Now, N is a point on PR. Where is PR? This is PR. So N is a point. So let's mark point N is here. Now, such that QN, where is Q? This is Q. QN is perpendicular to PR. Means here, this angle is basically 90 degree. And my dear champions, if this angle is 90, so what will be this? It has to be 90 also. This is 90, so it has to be 90. Okay. If PN, so what is given here? So let me tell you one more thing. Whenever you are doing, thanks. Okay, so let me suggest you one thing, my dear. Whenever you are doing any proof type question in triangle, always write the solution in stepwise. Because in CBSE, you get marks stepwise. So your step will also give you marks. So whatever the information given to prove, diagram, everything, write everything stepwise. Your format should be very cluttered and systematic, very impressive. Then only you can get good marks. Okay, good evening, Sir Simran. Hi Simran, how are you? I hope you guys are dedicatedly preparing for your board exam. Okay, so is it clear? So let me show you the how you should write the solution, how you can make your answer very impactful and attractive. Okay, so look, so first we can write here, we should write here actually. Okay, so given information is what? Pn cross into nr is equal to qn square. Is it clear? Okay. Now write to prove. What we have to prove here? To prove angle PQR equals to 90 degree. Very good. So given information is this only, and you have to prove this. Yeah, this is also given. Don't worry. You can also mention here. QN is perpendicular to PR. Okay. So what should be the approach? How we can solve this question? How we can tackle this question? Let me give you the easy solution. Okay. So my dear, look, if this information is given to you here, if Pn into Nr equals to Qn square, can we modify this informate as Pn into Nr is equal to Qn into Qn? Understood? Yes or no? Because Qn square is there. So we can split Qn into Qn. Is it clear? Now bring one Qn this side. So Pn divided by Qn will be equal to this. I have just pulled one Qn this side. So one Qn will already be there. Is it clear? Pn by Qn, so Qn by Nr. I hope you have understood it. Now find Pn by Qn equals to Qn by Nr. What information you are getting from this ratio? Where is Pn? Pn is this. Pn is the part of triangle PNQ, and Qn is common in triangle QNR and PNQ. And Nr is where? Where is Nr? Nr, this is Nr, my dear. And Nr is the part of this triangle QNR. And one angle is also there. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Is it clear? Look, Pn, where is Pn and Qn? Pn and Qn. Pn is here and Qn is here. And where is Qn? Qn is here, this, and Nr is here. So we are getting the ratio, corresponding ratio are equal, and there is angle between both the ratios. Here, between this side and this side, angle is 90 degree. Between this side and this side, angle is 90 degree. So can't we apply SAS similarity? Yes, we can apply. So here angle QNP or PNQ, we can write PNQ is equal to what? RNQ, angle RNQ equals to 90 degree. So by I'm using this space. So by SAS similarity, triangle QNP, will be similar to. Now the most important thing is coming here. How you can write the other triangle? Shruti, kya hum pehle guys, you are talking with, oh my god, instead of talking you should focus on this question. These are very powerful questions, my dear champs. Pavan, hi. Okay, cat lover Shruti, hi, how are you Shruti? Okay, Mayuri, hi Mayuri. Okay, so look my dear, so QNP is similar to this triangle, but make sure there is very important thing to understand, my dear. You cannot write directly the triangle Q in the same order, QNP. So you cannot write QNP, so QNR. if you are writing the triangle, similarity triangle pair in this way, you might be wrong. You might make some mistake there. So you have to verify, you have to check. Listen how you can check it. Listen, look, QNP, where is QNP? QNP is 90 degree. So QNR, okay, one angle is verifying. If I used to write this triangle in this form, so 90 degree angle is verifying. Now come to another thing. Look, PN divided by QN. So if I take PN here, PN, I have to take here RN. Oh my God. So this pair is wrong, because here the situation is PN by QN. But if I'm writing this triangle in this form, so we are getting PN. If you take PN in this order, you have to take this order, corresponding side. So this is RN, which is wrong. PN, there, see, add denominator QN is there. So how we can modify this? We have to make some changes in second triangle. We have to make some changes in writing the second. Now we can write triangle QNP is similar to triangle. Instead of writing QNR, we can write RNQ. Check it once. R, triangle RNQ. Now verify this format. Now look, this is PN. If I take PN here, I have to take QN here. Very good. Satisfying? And if I take QN here, QN here, QN, so automatically QN by RN is coming. RN or NR both are same. So this way, if you are writing the triangles pair name this way, this is wrong. But this format is correct, because this format is fulfilling your need, fulfilling your condition. Okay, linear pair angle, yep. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, cat lover. Oh, okay. So QNP is similar to RNQ. Now, my dear kids, if QNP is similar to RNQ, this triangle has become similar to this triangle. So angle QPN, if I write QPN equals to what? QPN will be equal to RQN, and angle, if I write this angle, my dear, this angle, PQN. If triangle PQN, I'm writing angle P, then Q, PQN. So we have to take same order, PQN. So the order will be QRN. Keep it in mind. If you are taking this order, PQN here, so you have to follow same order here also. Is it clear? So the triangle will be, angle PQN will be QRN. So mark it equation number 1, mark it equation number 2. Now we have proved. So QPN is, where is QPN? QPN, this angle is equal to RQN, this angle, very good. And PQN, this angle is equal to this angle. But the story is different. We have to prove PQR equals to 90 degree. Now come. Now go in complete triangle. So now in triangle PQR, whole triangle PQR, the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ, or you can also write QRP. Don't worry, QRP. So angle QRP equals to 180 degree. You all know angle sum property. Now come, angle PQR plus angle QPR. Where is QPR? QPR. So we can write QPR as QPN also. QPN, angle QPN plus angle QRP. QRP can be written as QRN till here. Instead of going to P, we can stop here N. So QRN equals to 180 degree. Now look, my dear champions, very easy. Angle PQR plus QPN. Where is QPN? QPN is equals to RQN. This RQN here. So angle R QN plus this QRN is equals to PQN. Angle PQN equals to 180 degree. Now my dear, this is PQR and this is RQN plus PQN. Where is RQN? This angle plus PQN this angle. So it will become complete angle. Look this RQN plus PQN will be complete PQR. So angle PQR plus angle PQR will be equal to 180 degree. Angle PQR plus PQR will be 2PQR. So angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. Hi shock, okay, bus, hi, clear sir, cat lover, very good, thank you. By equation 1 and 2, yes Shruti, by equation 1 and 2, because we have already proved QPN is equals to RQN, and this information we will be required here, so that we can get one more PQR. So PQR plus PQR equals to 2PQR equals to 180 degree. So single PQR will be 90 degree, hence proved. Please take a screenshot, and most probably you will get this question in your board exam. Not exactly same, yeah, the question might be similar to this pattern. So my dear, please do this question. Sir, I got 79 by 80 in my pre-board because of you. Thank you so much, cat lover. And keep this momentum on, my dear, because you all deserve good result in your final boards. See, stay serious, just 2 months, just for 2 months, coming days, whatever. Isolate yourself from the world. Stay away from, different kind of function and events. If you study hard just for some days, the coming days, you will get the result which will give you lifelong satisfaction, my dear. Lifelong satisfaction. Your 1.5 month sacrifice will give you, lifelong satisfaction. So better to isolate yourself from the world, please, and study hard with complete dedication. You all can get good result. You have potential, my dear champion. Yes, thank you. Okay, so moving to question number 4. Wow. So in this question, I will give you a very short trick. You must keep it in mind, that short trick that I am going to share with you all. Yes sir, Sultanat Bano. Hi Sultanat, yes sir, sure. So moving to question number 4. This question, such questions, I don't know why CBSE loves a lot such questions. Most frequently these questions comes in board exam, and that will give you clearly, if this question comes in MCQ, so you will get only 1 marks, and if this question, such question comes in 2 marks, you will get 2 marks confirm. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, very easy, of course, easy question by BPT. Exactly, my dear champions. So look, the question is, you cannot directly apply BPT here because you cannot see any 2 parallel lines inside the triangle. These are the parallel here. AB is parallel to DC. Where is AB? AB in parallel to CD. Let me give you a very short trick, my dear champion. Whenever such questions comes in the form of trapezium, and there are 2 diagonals intersecting at point O, always take this, always. If there is a trapezium and this is the diagonals, okay, like let's say the trapezium is A, B, C, D, and both the diagonals are intersecting at O, always take, and this AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, if such situation comes anywhere, please write this, AO, take AO, then divided OC is equal to BO divided by OD. Please keep it in mind. Always take this. Always, I'm telling you, always. If such questions comes up in front of you, always. If AB is parallel to CD and this diagonal, both the diagonals are intersecting at point O, write this. Always. Prashant, yes, what kind of doubt, my dear? Okay, so Prashant, don't worry. I'm explaining again for you especially. So there is a trapezium, right? And in this trapezium, AB is parallel to CD. If anywhere such conditions comes up in front of you and 2 diagonals are intersecting at point O, so make sure to write this. Always write this. AO by OC equals to BO by OD. I have just told this. Yes, Prashant, cat lover. Yeah, 15 questions are there in this today's session. Don't worry. Okay, so please keep it in mind always. So same situation is here also. AB is parallel to DC. If AB, here is AB, my dear. AB, B is here. If AB is parallel to CD, what will be the condition? Yes, right. AO divided by OC will be equal to, here is B, BO divided by OD. Please keep it in mind, this formula always. And this question is, you will get this question, this type of question in proof type also. There will be a trapezium and two diagonals are intersecting at point O and you have to prove this. So this question you might get in proof type category. Getting my point? Now do this question. AO is what? AO is x plus 5. OC is what? X plus 3. Okay? BO is what? X minus 1. This is x minus 1 here. And OD is what? X minus 2, my dear. Now the rest thing is mathematics. The rest work is mathematics. Let me erase this portion. Okay? So mathematics is there. Solve this question. Give me answer, my dear. Give me answer. I am expecting answer of this question from so many students. Yes. Now solve this. You can cross multiply this, my dear. So x plus 5 into x plus, sorry, minus is there. This is minus, okay, don't worry. Minus 2, this will multiply this and this will multiply both. Okay, so x plus 3 into x minus 1 is here. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now open the brackets. So x square, multiply this x square, x into x, and this will also multiply here. So minus 2x plus 5, now multiply by 5 from this whole bracket, 5x minus 5 to the 10. Now multiply x square, x into 1 minus x, 3x will be there, and 3 1 3 is there, minus 3. X square is cancelled here, minus 2x plus 5x will be, minus 2x plus 5x will be 3x, minus 10 is there, minus x plus 3x, so 2x will be there, minus 3. Is it clear? So you can shift this 10 that side and you can bring 2x here. So 3x minus 2x will be equal to minus 3 plus 10. Okay, so x is equal to minus 3 plus 10 will be, wow. Thanks for trick. Yes, thank you, sir. See, I'm dedicatedly working for you all because you all are very important for me, each and every one of you. Very important. I'm deeply connected and my dream is to see you as a topper. My dream is to bring you all in 95 plus category. And yes, you all can do. You all can fulfill the dream of your parents. Yes, and you have to, my dear kids. And this is the time, this is the crucial phase that you are living in presently. So, dedicatedly, study dedicatedly, guys. You all can do. Thanks for trick. Okay, Sultana, thank you so much. So, moving to question, I hope this is clear to you guys. Is it clear? If this question is clear to you, give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up in comment section. I want to see who will give me thumbs up quickly. I want to see the name of that student who is going to give me thumbs up. Yes, give me thumbs up. Guys, please, in live session, please keep interact with me. Please, your interaction, your involvement encourages me a lot. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm looking at the chat section. Sultanat is there. Thank you, Sultanat. Yes. Who is next? Who is next? Who is next? Wow, cat lover is there. Cat lover. Thank you. Okay. Are you guys enjoying? Are you guys enjoying triangles? Marin is there. Superb. You guys are, how sweet of you, everyone. Thank you. So moving to next question. Oh, 5 question. Okay. I hope this question is clear to you. Okay. So moving to question number 5. Look at the question. I think this question is a bit similar to the previous one. I think. No, similar to this one. This one. This one. Okay. So now do this question, guys. Superb, superb. You all are awesome. Fantastic, my dear. Okay, so look at the question. So in the given figure, Measure of angle M, okay, angle M and N is 46 degrees. So let me use red color because white background is there. So basically this is 46 degree, my dear kids, and this is also 46. My dear champions, if this is 46 and this is also 46, it indicates that this line PN will be parallel to LM. Yes, then only this angle will be equal to this angle. Yes, we know if two parallel lines are there, one transversal, then this angle become equal to this angle. Same condition is there. So if 46 is here and this is also 46, then it will have to, this sides P and LM will have to parallel to each other. Please keep it in mind. So here we can write here, see this angle PNK, this is basically K, equals to LMK, angle LMK, and both angles are equal to 46 degree. And the interesting thing, if these angles, both angles are equal to each other, it implies that, so we can write, so PN, basically PN will be parallel to LM. Is it clear, my dear champs? So just using only this information, I got this. PN will be parallel to LM. And once you get this, everything is clear. Now you are free to apply BPT because you have this. When we have this, then only we can apply BPT. Without this information, we cannot apply BPT. This is the rule of BPT. This is not my own created rule. This is the rule created by Thales. If we got PN parallel to LM, we can apply BPT. So apply BPT here. So, okay, one more thing. Now if PN is parallel to LM, this PN is parallel to LM, so this 46 degrees, so in triangle, because we need X, so X is in triangle, this small triangle, so we have to enter in that triangle. Because we need X, we have to express X. So X is present in this triangle. X is associated with triangle PNQ. So in triangle PNQ and triangle, that bigger one, triangle LMK. Is it clear, my dear champs? So angle PNK is equal to triangle angle LMK 46 degree, and angle K, this angle is common in both. This angle is common in both. This angle is common. Look, this angle is present in this small triangle and this angle is present in bigger one also. So this angle is common. So we can write here angle K equals to angle K. We can write common here. If two angles are equal, so we can apply double A similarity. So by double A similarity, triangle PNK has become similar to triangle LMK, and once the triangle has become similar to this, you can take corresponding sides. Now take corresponding side PN, the corresponding side has to be in same ratio, should be same ratio. So PN divided by LM will be equal to, you can take side NK, we can take NK is there, NK. And if you are taking NK here, NK, so you have to take MK, corresponding sides. So PN is what? PN is X. LM is what? Where is LM? LM is A. Okay. MNK, where is NK? This NK. NK is what? C. And where is MK? MK is whole. This complete. So this will be B plus C, my dear. MK will be complete, B plus C. So we can write here B plus C. So cross multiply, so A will go that side. So X is equal to AC divided by B plus C. This is the answer. We have expressed X in the terms of ABC. This is the answer. And I saw this question in a book where this question was in MCQ category, my dear. So this question might come in different categories. You have to be ready for that. Prashant, what kind of doubt you are facing? Okay, so I hope this is clear. So my dear champion Prashant, I request you don't write spam messages here. Instead of texting such messages, I think you should focus on questions. Okay, my dear champ. So I hope this is clear. Is it clear? Are you guys there? So moving to question number 6. Now try this question. Try this question. Yes, Sultanat, you answered very good. Sine, so sir, x equals to AC by. Exactly. Yes, your answer was correct. So moving to next question. Okay, do this question, try this question number 6. My dear champions. Okay. Okay, so question number 6. Interesting question, but logical question. Interesting and logical. Okay, so try this question. The question is, in the given figure, G is the midpoint. Of course, G is the midpoint. Where is G? G, this is the midpoint. Okay. Okay, so if G is midpoint, if G is the midpoint, G is the midpoint, so what we can write, this PG will be equal to GQ, and call this equation number 1. Yes, PG will be equal to GQ because G is the midpoint. So the PQ is divided into 2 equal parts using G. Okay. Okay. Now midpoint of the side PQ of triangle PQR, and GH is parallel to QR. Very good. And if this GH is parallel to QR, which theorem you can apply, guys? Which theorem will be applicable here? Yes. Tell me. BPT. Because GH is parallel to QR. So if GH is parallel to QR, GH is parallel to QR, we can write PG divided by GQ is equal to PH divided by HR. HR. You can even write using by BPT. By BPT. Now, my dear, PG is equals to GQ. Both are equal. So we can replace any one of these two. We can replace any one of these two. So we can replace PG from GQ. So we can write here GQ divided by GQ equals to PH by HR, or you can write here from first. Now GK is cancelled GK by 1, GQ is cancelled by GQ by 1. So this ratio is equal to 1. So HR will be multiplied from 1. So we are getting here. So PH, wow, what we have proved? PH equals to HR. And if PH equals to HR, what this information indicates? Look, PH equals to HR. This is equal to this. It implies that H will be the midpoint. Exactly. Hence it proves that, you can write, it shows that H is the midpoint. H is the midpoint of the side, which side? PR. Answer, hence proved. This is the question. Hi BPD. Yes, freed it. Hi, freed it. Yes, sir, freed it. Is it clear, freed it? BPD theorem, is it clear? Sultanat, I hope this is clear to you. Are you guys enjoying? So I have picked up very classy questions, very important question. I have intermixed here PYQs also, most expected questions for your board 2026, and competency based question. So this session is basically complete package for you. I'm assuring you, my dear champion. So stay in this live session till the end, till the question number 15. You will feel confident at the end of the session. I'm assuring you. So moving to question number 7. Wow. Yes, sir. Thank you, Fredit. I don't know what is your real name. Yeah, but Fredit is there. Superb. So look at the question here. So my dear, the question is, there is a very complex figure. I hope this figure is visible to you, everyone. So the question is, in the given figure, D is parallel to AC. Very good, very good. And DF is parallel to AE. You might be worried, you might be afraid looking at this question, the complex diagram, but this question is just Just silly and easy question. The diagram is looking very complex, but the solution is very easy. Okay, we have to prove BF parallel to FE equals to BE parallel to EC. So let me show you one thing, my dear champion. So I have to use here red color. My dear, look, what is the first information given? DE is parallel to AC. Now check, find where is DE and where is AC. Find all these two first, DE and AC. Where is DE? So my dear, this is DE. Where is DE? This is DE. This is DE. Let me use red color. This, I'm using red color. I have underlined here, so I'm using red color. DE. And where is AC? This is AC here. So I'm making this complete triangle. Now please focus on red triangle, only red triangle. Please forget this DF and AE for a little while. Please forget that. Only focus on red triangle. So if you focus on red triangle, my dear champion, in which DE is parallel to BC, which theorem you can apply? You can apply BPT here. So in triangle, if we can write here, if DE is parallel to here AC, look, if DE is parallel to AC, so we can apply BPT. So this BD by DA will be equal to BE will be equal to EC, and you can write here the region by BPT, or you can also write by Thales theorem, and please call this 1. I hope this is clear. Now you don't need to do anything with this red triangle. Now forget all the red triangle. Now please come on. So which color should I use here? Blue color. Now look. Now second information, DF is parallel to AE. I hope this color is visible to you. So DF, where is DF? This is DF here. I don't know this color is visible or not, my dear champ. So let me use some other color. Yeah, green. So this is DF, and this is here AE. So this triangle will be there. Now look at the triangle, green triangle. Look at green triangle. Now if what is parallel? DF is parallel to here. If DF parallel to what? AE. Wow. Again we can apply BPT, but in triangle green. Okay, so BD, look, this is BD here. BD by DA will be equal to this BF by FE. Very good. By FB. Sorry, FE is there. By FE. Is it clear? By FE. You can mention here the region by BPT and call this equation number 1. So in equation 1, in first condition, BD by DA is there, and in second condition, BD by DA is there. So if they both are there here, same, so these fraction must be equal to each other. They will have to equal to each other, because here BDA by DA and BD by DA. So from first and second, so from first and second, we can write BE by EC is equal to BF by FE. Okay, now we have to prove BF by FE. Now reverse the sides so that you can match these two. BF by FE equals to BE by AC. Hence proved. I hope this is clear to you guys. Hence proved. Yes sir, class kab tak? So the class will be ended as we will reach the question number 15, don't worry. So why you guys are asking frequently this question, when the class will be ended? Guys, enjoy this session. I have picked up very classic questions for you. I'm repeating again, very important questions for you. So enjoy the session, my dear. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So the important thing was in this question was observation. Your observation should be accurate. Is it clear? Now moving to question number 8. Yeah. Moving to question number 8. Try this question, my dear. And if you are really enjoying this session, my dear champ, and the student who is new and who have not subscribed the channel yet, go and subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, my dear. And kindly share the video live sessions, everything with your friends as well, so that they can also get advantage of this channel, Deeksha Vedantu, my dear champs. This is my request to you guys, my dear, because we all are working tirelessly for you to make you topper, everyone. So moving to question number 8. The question number 8 is, in the given figure, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Very good. Okay. Find the value of y plus z. Don't worry. Yes, I'm here. Are these values are visible to you guys? Just let me know. Give me thumbs up. These are visible to you, everyone? Yes, Alternate. Very good. Okay. So look at the question. Triangle ABC is similar to PQR. If the triangle ABC is similar to PQR, what we can do? Listen. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. My dear champion, if two triangles are similar to each other, so there is a rule, their corresponding sides are also remain in same ratio always. If there are two similar triangles, so their corresponding sides will be in same ratio. Listen, corresponding, I'm saying corresponding sides. So this is powerful statement, corresponding. So if I take AB, so which side will be there at denominator? If I'm taking AB, so the corresponding side will be PQ. Please keep it in mind, my dear champions. If I take BC here, BC, so which corresponding side will be there? QR. BC, so the corresponding side for BC will be QR. Keep it in mind, always, BC, so the corresponding side will be QR. Is it clear? Now, if we take AC, so we have to take here PR, AC by PR. I hope this is clear to you. AC by PR. This is called corresponding. Getting my point? Now look at the values. Where is AB? Where is AB? AB. And AB is what? Z. So we can put here Z. Divided by PQ. Where is PQ? PQ, which is 3. Where is BC? My dear champions. BC is 8. Where is QR? Where is QR, my dear champ? Let me know. QR is here. 6. Equal to, where is AC? Wow. AC is 4 root 3. 4 root 3. And where is PR? Where is PR? PR is Y. Wow. So this is the condition. We have to find the value of Y plus Z. So to find the value of Y plus Z, first we have to find the value of Y and Z separately. Then we can add both to get the result. Is it clear? So take these two ratios first. So 8 by 6 equals to 4 root 3 divided by Y. So 4 will cancel, so 3. This 4 is cancelled with this 4. Now we can cross multiply, so 1 is here, so Y into 1 is Y, and 3 into root 3 will be 3 root 3. Okay, so Y is 3 root 3. Now take this and this and this. So Z by, now to find Z by 3 can be written as 8 by 6. So again 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 3 will cancel this 3, 4 is there, so Z is equal to 4. So what we have to find here? Y plus Z. So Y plus Z. Y is what, my dear champion? 3 root 3. 3 root 3. And Z is what, my dear champions? 4. So the answer is 3 root 3 plus 4. 3 root 3 plus 4. I hope this is clear to you, everyone. How easily I am solving the questions from triangle. And don't think these questions are very easy. You might get stuck in such question if you find this question in your board exam. If you are not clearing the doubts just right away, you might get stuck in such question also. Yes, because this question also required concept and clarity, your methodology. So kindly do the practice with me also, my dear kids. Solve the questions with me. Yes, Sultanat, 4 plus 3 root 3. You are again right. Of course, Sultanat. The answer is 4 plus 3 root 3. Good questions, read it. Okay, I'm waiting for others. So should I move ahead to the next question? Okay, give me thumbs up if you are there, my dear all Golu Molu champions. Give me thumbs up so that I can move forward to the next question, question number 9. Still so many powerful questions are left here in this session. So just wait for all those questions, my dear. And I'll be giving you a very short method to solve the questions. Don't worry. Okay, moving to question number 9. So my dear champions, okay, so I got new comment. Okay, my dear Kalpana, don't compare any teacher. Every teacher are working tirelessly for you guys, so don't stuck in such things. Please focus on your study, my dear Kalpana. I hope you are well. Okay, so moving to question number 9. Two right triangles ABC and DBC are drawn on the same hypotenuse. Very logical question. Logical and conceptual question. Logical and conceptual question. Yes, this question is very powerful. Yes, Altana, thank you so much for giving me thumbs up. Very good. Now try this question, guys. And if you are not able to do this question, don't worry, I'm here. I'll be giving you a very short method. So let me tell you one thing very important in this question is diagram. If you guys are able to draw the diagram neat and clean and clearly according to the language of question, what the question is saying, if you are able to draw the diagram, means 50% of the question is already solved. Okay, so make sure to draw the diagram first. Okay, the powerful thing is diagram in this question, my dear. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so two triangles are there. ABC and DBC are drawn on the same base, hypotenuse BC. Okay, ji. So, my dear Golu Molu champions, so let's see here. Which color? Green is better than, I think. Which color is visible to you clearly, my dear champion? White, red or green? Which color should I use here? So, let's use white color. So, two triangles ABC and DBC are drawn on the same base. Very good. So, let's say, okay. So one triangle I'm drawing here, this, and most powerful thing I've already told you, the diagram. So let's say here is this. Let's say this is the first triangle and the 90 degree is here. This is the 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, the hypotenuse will be this. So we can call this BC. B and this is C. So it has to be triangle AB, so A. Now again one more triangle is DBC are drawn on the same hypotenuse. So if BC is the hypotenuse of this triangle, so the next triangle will be this. Here we can draw this way. So this is 90 degree. Okay, so if this is 90 degree, so you can tilt a bit, you can draw the tilted side so that the triangle will look like as it is as right angle triangle. We can write, oh my god, what happened here? So okay, some technical problem in smartboard. Okay, so let's say this is AB and this is here, this. Okay, so the other triangle will be, we can draw like this here and here. Okay, so this BC, so this D. This is. Now look at the diagram, my dear. Look at the diagram. Sir, I am sorry. Don't worry, Kalpana, it happens. You guys are very cute, my dear champs. So instead of, doing such things, I think you should focus on your study, because your parents, your relatives, everyone are expecting, they are dreaming to see you as a topper, my dear. And this is a very crucial time for you guys. Okay? Don't worry, Kalpana. No need to say sorry. Stay blessed. Okay. So look at the question. So this is DBC and this is BAC. Okay, and for this triangle BAC, this is hypotenuse BC, and for this triangle DBC, this is again hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is common, which is BC here. Now moving to second statement. Awesome. If AC and BD are intersect at EP, where is P? This is P. AC, where is AC? This is AC. If AC and BD, so we have to mark AC here. So A and C. So what we can do? We can write here A, and this is B. ABC. So AC, this is, where is ABC? So AC for C. Make sure, because whatever the question is saying, every condition should be fulfilled, my dear kids. Look, what is here? AC and BD. AC and BD are intersecting. So we have to mention here AB, AC and BD. So what we can do here? Look, first erase every point. I am giving you a short trick. Erase every point. Every point. Okay? Now look, AC and BD are intersecting. Yes. So what we can write here, look, so this is B, you can write here B, okay, and this BD. So this is BDC. So if this is C, it has to be A. Now look, every situation is fulfilled here. Shreya Singh Parihar. Shreya, look. Shreya, don't worry. Look, the question is two right angle triangles ABC and DBC are drawn on the same hypotenuse ABC. Is it clear? So look, this is ABC triangle. If 90 degrees here, the hypotenuse will be BC. Okay, on the same hypotenuse, one more triangle is drawn, DBC. Taking BC as hypotenuse again. So this is, look, DBC. So we have drawn both the triangles. Now, the second condition is if AC and BD intersect at P. AC and BD intersect at P. So this is P here. We have to prove this. Look, now focus on proof. What we have to prove. So I'm writing here to prove. What we have to prove here? AP into PC is equal to BP into DP. Very important question for your board 2026, my dear champion. Don't worry. Okay? Shreya, is it clear, Shreya? Focus here, please. So we have to prove this. Now come, my dear champion, look at the triangle DPC and triangle APB. Look, DPC, this triangle I have shaded, and this triangle, my dear champion. In both the triangles, one angle is 90 degrees here, already 90 degrees here, and this angle will be equal to this by vertically opposite angle. So we got two angles are equal to each other in two triangles. If two angles has become equal to each other, then the triangles will be similar by double S similarity. So in triangle DPC and triangle APB, look my dear. So angle CDP, this is 90. So here this will be BAC, angle BAP, and you can write here each equal to 90 degree. Okay, now look, DPC, angle DPC is equal to angle APB, by vertically opposite angles. Yes, vertically opposite angle. So two angles are equal to each other. So by double A similarity. So by double A similarity criteria, triangle DPC is similar to triangle APB, and once you have proved it, means their corresponding side will be in same ratio. Now take what we required AP. So where is AP? Take AP here. So if you take AP, so which side will be corresponding? Yes, DP will be there, because we are taking AP, so we have to take DP, because AP is corresponding to DP. So DP is here, equal to. Now what we required? PC. Where is PC? BP. Now take BP. So if you take BP, you have to take CP here. Look, PC or CP, you can write PC also. Now you can cross multiply. So AP into PC. I got the answer. Now it's your turn, my dear. It's your turn. Which option will be correct? So many students are watching the live session. Shreya, Praveen, Sultanat, Mehreen, everyone. I'm expecting few students may get answer. Can give me answer of this question. Yeah. I will not forward until you give me answer of this question. Which option will be correct? So let me give. I'm giving you two options. So I'm eliminating two options. Option number A and option number B is eliminated. So which option will be correct? So only 180 cannot be answered, so option C will be correct. Option A, Shreya is writing option A, 90. Really? Praveen is also writing answer number A, option number A. So let's do. Look at the screen, my dear. Look at the question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. So look. ABC, A, BC here, and one more triangle PQR. Let me give you complete clarity to the solution, because you all are preparing. Okay. So you should have clarity on the concept. So angle A is 30 degree, my dear. So if this is 30 degree, so it has to be 30. Yes, because the corresponding of A is P, the corresponding of B is Q, and the corresponding of C is R. Yes. So if this is 30, it has to be 30. Now look at Q. Q, where is Q? Q is 90. Don't worry, few students might be thinking, sir, it don't look like as 90 degree. Don't worry, you can assume, my dear. I know 90 should be this way. I know, but no problem. We can assume here because we are doing the equations. Okay. Here, this is 90. So if this is 90, it has to be 90. It will also be 90 because Q is corresponding to. Now, my dear champion, if this is 90, this is 30. So this will be 60, because 90 plus 30 is 120. So the remaining angle will be 60 degree. And similarly here. Now look what we have to find here. Angle R plus angle B. Where is angle R? Angle R is 60. Where is angle B? Angle B is 90. Wow, answer is 150 degree. Option number C. Yes, I hope you got the answer. So look at the solution. Again, you guys are making mistakes. Some student wrote answer number A, which is 90 degree. Nobody. You have to sit in your board exam, but still you are making mistakes. My dear champion. So this question is PYQ from previous year, 2025. So this question is not old one. This is very new question, very recent PYQ, I think. And look at the solution. Moving to question number 11. Wow. Wow question. Yeah, Shreya. Now Shreya is writing answer C. Yes, Shreya. I think you might make mistake in calculation or solution, whatever is there. So, okay. Now, this question is from your PYQ, the year 2025, previous year question, most recent question from set 1. So, kindly assume you guys are sitting in examination hall and solve this question. Imagine you get this question in your board 2026. How you guys will solve this question? How you guys will solve this question? Whatever I have just taught you in today's live session till now, on the basis of all those points, you guys can solve this question. Whatever I have given you, the concept and trick in triangle, on the basis of all those points, you guys can solve this question, each and every one of you. Okay, look at the question. The triangle, let me use red color. So the question is, in the given figure, the triangle ABC, very good, where AD is perpendicular to BC, means this is 90 degree. Okay. And if this is 90 degree, this will also be 90 degree. Okay. Triangle BAC is 90 degree, BAC is 90 degree, very good. If BC is given, this whole BC is given to you 16 centimeter and DC is given 4 centimeter, then what is the value of X? Wow. My dear champs, I want to just ask you one very easy question. Where is X? In which triangle X is there? Except the bigger one. Please give me answer in small triangle. Don't say ABC, because in ABC X is also there. In a smaller one. So if I ask you where is X, so X is associated with this triangle ADC, this triangle, the red triangle which is also right angle triangle. Is it clear, my dear champions? And one more triangle is here. Let me use green color. This triangle, the bigger one, this triangle, and here is 90 degree. Very good. The red triangle is also right angle triangle, and the bigger triangle that I have underlined with green color is also right angle triangle. And one very magical thing is here, this angle is common in both. Yes. In red triangle, a smaller one, ADC, and in bigger triangle, in both the triangle, that angle is present. This is called observation, my dear. That angle C is present in both. So, what we can write here, look, in triangle, just go in triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Enter in these two triangles, ADC and BAC. Why I am taking this ADC? Because in triangle ADC, X is present. Here is X. So that is why I am taking triangle ADC. Yes. Samar, hi Sultanat, very good. So focus on this question. This question is from the year 2025. Very new question. This is most recent PYQ question, guys. So I am taking ADC. Why ADC I am taking? Because X is there. This is X here, my dear. This is X. This is X. Here is X. So we have to find X. So in triangle ADC, where is ADC? ADC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, because this is also 90 degree and this complete angle is 90 degree. You can write the region here, each equal to 90 degree. Is it clear? Now moving to second point. Very good. Now the very important and powerful point. Angle A, I am writing this information first of this triangle. So make sure every information should be at first position from triangle ADC. And this BAC is from BAC triangle. So make sure to write every information at the right side. Please. So ACD, this angle ACD will be equal to BCA. BCA, wow. Angle BCA. And one very interesting thing, if I am writing ACD, the corresponding position is also correct. BCA, wow. And matching. Where is ACD? ACD, this angle. And where is BCA? BC, again this angle, which is common in both the triangle. So we can write here common. So by double A similarity, triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. And once you have proved both the triangles are similar, you are free to write the corresponding sides are in same ratio. Now you can take AD. Where is AD? Okay, I think we don't require AD, so we can directly take DC. So DC, if I am taking DC here, we have to take AC because corresponding AC. Now DC, so this is AC. Now AC, you can take AC. So from, if you are taking AC here, you have to take BC here. Very good. Now check the values. Where is DC? DC, this is DC and this is 4 centimeter. 4. X, AC is what? AC, this is X. So this is X. Again AC is what? X. And BC, this BC is complete, which is 16. Now you can cross multiply. X into x square, and this is 64. So x is equals to under root 64, and you all know under root 64 is perfect square. So the answer will be plus minus 8 centimeter. But this is length, so we can consider only positive value. X equals to 8 centimeter answer. Sir, what is your name? Please tell me. I am new on this channel. So if you are new here, Samar, I want to welcome you from depth of my heart, my dear. So my name is Sonu. You can call me Sonu Sir. Okay, my dear? Sure, I hope. Sir, aap MP board. My dear, see, this is mathematics. I'm not teaching you any language subject. This is mathematics. Shreya. So in mathematics, everything remains same. If we talk about any board from India, whether from CBSE, ICSE, yeah, the little bit the pattern will be different, but the most of the questions, concept, everything remains same in every board. You can prepare your board exam, your 10th board exam from CBSE pattern also. Don't worry, because mathematics just based on theorem, rules, everything, calculation. So everything, most of the question you will get in your board exam if you are from MP board, don't worry. Okay, Samar? Okay, Shreya, I hope your doubt is clear, my dear. So moving to, I hope this question is clear. So this question was from year 2025, previous year question. Okay, so you might get such question in your coming board exam. So I hope, Shreya, Praveen has already written my name. Thank you, Praveen. Okay, moving to question number 12. Wow. Question number 12. Okay, moving to question number 12. Some very interesting comment is there. Don't say this, my dear, to anyone. In the given figure, angle A, this is angle A and this is angle B. Okay, very good, very good. This angle A is equal to angle B. Wow. One thing is clear. If this angle A, let me use red color. This angle A is equal to angle B. It indicates that this whole side, this side will also be equal to this side, because this is the property of an isosceles triangle. In any isosceles triangle, if these two angles are equal to each other, then the side will also be equal to each other. And if sides are also equal to each other, this information is given to you, then you can take angle is also equal to each other. This is not my Holmes rule, this is mathematical geometrical rule of triangle. Okay, this is not any homemade rule of mine, this is geometrical rule, my dear. So if this angle here, this angle is equal to each other, this angle. Okay, so by reverse property of an isosceles triangle, the complete side will also be equal to each other. Yes. Look, I am again talking about observation. Your observation should be very sharp. So look, solution, I am doing solution. Okay, so here, what is given here? Given information is angle A is equal to angle B. Very good. Angle A equals to angle B. And we have to prove, show that. Very good, don't worry. Okay, and BE, okay, DE, AD is also equal to BE. Wow. AD is equal to BE. Very good. This information. So two informations are provided here. Okay. Maths is easy. Game over. No. How funny you are, guys. Maths are so easy. Wow. Okay. So angle A is equals to angle B. Now come. Here, if angle A equals to angle B, so AC, this complete AC will be equal to what? BC. Yes, because these two angles are equal, and you can write the region here by reverse property of an isosceles triangle. Yes, by reverse property of an isosceles triangle, AC equals to BC. Okay, so call this as 1 and call this AD equals to BE, which is, call this second, which is given here. Okay, this AD equals to B. AC equals to BC, we have just proved here, and AD equals to B, this is given to you. Now you can subtract both the equations. Subtract second from first. Subtract second from first. So AC minus AD can be written as BC minus BE. And my dear champion, AC minus AD will be what? This is AC complete, and this is AD. So CD will be there. Is it clear? And BC minus BE, this is BC minus B, CE will be there. Wow. Third. Is it clear? So look, wow, magical proof here. Now, if I ask you to find CD by DA, what is CD by DA? My dear, this CD by DA, what will be the ratio? Look, we have proved here CD equals to CE, means this is equal to here. This, what happened? Technical problem again. This CD is equals to this, and this equals to this. This equal to this. So what will be the situation? CD by DA, look, this is AC equals to this, AD equals to B, AD equals to BE, and here CD equals to CEC. So what we can do? AC, this AD divided by CD. If I divide equation 1, if I divide here, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number what? This is equation number 3. So what we can write here? So dividing, don't write this, divide second from third. So this is AD divided by CD, AD divided by CD equal to, this is what, BE divided by what, CE. Now look, this is AD, this is AD. Can we reverse this? So CD divided by AD will be equal to reciprocal CE divided by B. Wow, what we have proved here? CD by AD, CD by AD equals to CE by B. Hence, by converse of BPT. So, by converse of BPT, what? DE will be parallel to AB. DE will be parallel to AB. Yes, very good. Masoom, hi, how are you, Masoom? Welcome on Deeksha Vedantu platform. Sir, yes, sir, I see. Very good, Masoom. If you have already done this type of question, please practice. Practice will also help you a lot. So this basically, I am giving you live session and solving such questions, powerful question for all those students who have not practiced yet. Because I picked up very good questions for you all, relatively for your board exam 2026. Whether you are from CBSE board or whether you are from ICSE board, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is for all, everyone. So moving to question number 13. Now try this question. Try this question, guys. Okay, yeah, Masoom, I hope your doubt is clear. Okay, so try this question, my dear champions. Can you do this question, everyone? So I have just did a question just based on this theorem. Okay, sir, done. Summer, yeah. Okay, sir, done. Super. So look at the question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD. Wow, this question just similar to here. I have just look, this question, where is it? Trapezium. Yes. So we are here. Okay, don't worry. So first do this question. Thank you for replying. Sir, done by BPT. Yeah, BPT will be applied here, don't worry. But some logic is there. Some extra construction is there in this question. Oh, sweet. Okay, look at the question. So ABCD is a trapezium. So draw the diagram first. ABCD. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. So kindly make sure to mark the points as it should also be fulfilling there. AB parallel to CD. You cannot write A here and B here. If you write A here, B here, so this will not be approved. This will not be fulfilled there. So make sure to write B here, then C and D. Then only you can see AB is parallel to CD. Is it clear? Very good. So, okay, and its diagonals intersect each other at O. Very good. So the diagonals are here and here. So these are the diagonals. The point O is here. But we have to prove. So please write to show. What we have to show here? To show AO by BO equals to CO by DO. We have to show this. Wow. AO by CO. Hello. Okay, so there is there. Okay. AO by BO equals to CO by DO. Oh, very good. So how we can reach on these four terms? Where is AO? This is AO. Very good. OC. So for this, there is some construction. There is a small construction in this question, very small construction. So we have to do some construction here, and the construction is what? Draw a point O. Let's say I'm calling this as M, and I'm joining this O from M. So draw OM, draw OM as it must be parallel to CD. Parallel. This is the construction. Draw OM parallel to CD. Yes. And one thing is very clear here. If OM is parallel to CD, let's say I'm calling this as 1, and AB is already parallel to CD. AB is already parallel to CD, which is given information in the question. This is from construction. So let's say I'm writing here given. My dear champion, if OM is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to CD, CD is in both. So AM will also be parallel to AB. So OM will also be parallel to AB. I hope this is clear, and I'm calling this as third. Is it clear? So doing just this one construction, you got this OM parallel to AB. Now come. So come in triangle ACD. Please find where is triangle ACD. ACD. This ACD. So in ACD, you know, OM is parallel to CD. So we can apply BPT. So we can write AM, this is AM divided by MD is equal to AO by OC. AO by OC. And you can write here by BPT. By BPT. Is it clear? Now, by BPT. Now, in triangle, come in this triangle. DAB. So this is parallel to AB. We have proved here OM is parallel to AB. So in triangle DAB, what we can write here? DM by MA. DM by MA. DM by MA will be equal to DO by OB. DO by OB. DO by OB. By OB. Now my dear champion, if DM by MA equals to DO by AB, so can we write this as MA or AM by DM? I am taking the reciprocal. AM by MD or DM, whatever you can write, MD is equal to. So if you are taking the reciprocal of the left hand side, you have to also take the reciprocal of this also. So BO can also be written as, OB can also be written as BO, and DO keep as it is. Now look, you can write here by BPT. By BPT. Now my dear champion, here AM by MD and here also AM by MD. So if this term is present in both, so the right hand side will also be equal to each other. Hence we can write AO by OC is equal to what? BO by what? DO. Is it clear what we have to prove? AO by BO. So now you can shift this BO here, this side. So OC will go there. So AO by BO is equal to what? We can write OC can also be written as CO, because in proof CO is there. CO by DO, hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. This is all about. Yes. Okay, I hope this is clear. So if you are there, my dear champion. Yeah, Samar, no, I am Saltanat from my... Okay, Saltanat, thank you so much for confirmation. So Shruti, Shreya, Sama, Praveen, Masoom, Merin. So are you guys are there? You guys are enjoying, so give me thumbs up, my dear. So this is very important question. So you can also do one thing. Instead of writing 1 and 2 here, you guys can write 1 here, okay, and 2 here, so that you can make your solution impactful. You can write here hence from first and second. So better to write first and second here. So let me erase first from here. This is simple, anyone can understand. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay. Yes sir, got it. Yes sir, I am saying to Shruti, are you? Okay, you guys. Okay, superb. Give me thumbs up. Marin has given me thumbs up. Thank you so much, Marin, for taking first position in giving me thumbs up. Yes. Superb. Sir, hi Vaishnavi. Sir, this is for, yes, of course, this is exclusively for CBSE, especially for CBSE. Come on, wake up, Vaishnavi. Yeah, we are working tirelessly. We are putting 100% effort for you guys to make you champion in maths. Yes, this is for CBSE, again repeating. Thank you, Samba, for giving thumbs up. Shruti, Shreya Singh. Okay. I hope your doubt is clear, Vaishnavi. If your doubt is clear, give me thumbs up so that I can find you are there. Okay. Thank you so much for confirmation. So, moving to question number 14. Question number 14. Wow. Look at this question. Easy. Okay. So, I think Shreya is from Parallel World. She is giving thumbs up in this way. Shreya, are you okay? Okay. So, in the given figure, BC is parallel to PQ. Very good. BC is parallel to PQ and BC equals to 8 centimeter. Very good, Ji. No problem. My dear champion, very logical question. Let me give you solution. First, try yourself. Try yourself, guys. So, the question is, look, my dear champ, don't read the question till the end. Just focus on simple word. Focus on first information. The first information is this. And if BC is parallel to PQ, what you can observe here, look. If I ask you, my dear, these two lines are parallel. This PQ and BC both are parallel. PQ and BC are parallel. It means that this angle will be equal to this by alternate angle, and this angle will be equal to this by alternate angle. This is called observation. Again, I am telling you guys. Is it clear? So if here this PQ is parallel to BC, so what observation you can get here, my dear champions? This angle will be equal to this. Yes, by alternate interior angle. Here the diagram is a bit tilted, and this is making the question, I think, tougher. If the diagram would have been this, in this form, then you guys will be able to observe the things very accurately. But don't worry, if the diagram is tilted, the concept should be clear. Simple. So this angle will be equal to this. I hope this is clear to you. By alternate angle. Shruti is done with answer. Very good, Shruti. Now this is parallel. So this angle is equal to this. And one more thing. Oh, wow. This angle will also be equal to this angle by vertically opposite angle. So it indicates that this smaller triangle and this smaller triangle, this triangle PAQ and the triangle BAC, both will be similar to each other. But the matter is how to write. Not BPT. Yes, BPT will not be applied here, my dear. Don't be in hurry. Don't be very quick, my dear. Please think first. Think first, then solve. This is your final phase preparation. I'm repeating again for you all. Don't make such mistakes now, my dear champion, because you don't have so much of time right now. Is it clear? Everything should be crystal clear. So look. So I hope everything is clear. Now, in such question, you don't require to go through the depth solution. You have to just find out C and AQ. So look, my dear champion. So triangle PAQ, triangle P. So let me give you the solution. If this question comes in 3 or 4 marks. So how you can solve, guys? How you can write the statement in words? So let's listen. If PQ is parallel to BC, if PQ is parallel to BC, it implies that angle QPA, whatever I am writing here, my dear, please search there. Your responsibility to search there. I am writing here, please match the points. Where is QPA? So QPA will be equal to BCA, angle BCA. And you can write here by alternate interior angles. Superb. Now, angle, you can take vertically opposite. Angle PAQ will be equal to what? This CAB. Angle CAB. PAQ, this is PAQ equal to CAB by vertically opposite angles. So two angles are equal, and if two angles are equal, the triangle will be similar to each other. So by AA similarity triangle, which triangle? This is the first information of triangle. These are the informations of triangle PAQ. So make sure to write triangle PAQ first. Similar to triangle, which triangle? Triangle PAQ is similar to triangle what? ACB. Triangle ACB. And one very important note, please note down. In triangle PAQ I am writing here, and here ACB. Now please match every angles are corresponding equal or not. So PAQ, where is PAQ? PAQ, this angle. So this is PAQ, so this is ACB. ACB, yeah, matching. Now please match this angle, vertically opposite. Now this is QAP or PAQ. Where is PAQ? PAQ. So this angle is ACB. Where is ACB? ACB. Wow. What happened? I am taking PAQ. PAQ. Look. PAQ. So the corresponding angle here we are getting ACB. PAQ is what? PAQ is here and ACB is here. Not matching. So this format is wrong. Now if we reverse this as triangle ACB, triangle, look, very important thing. The most of the student made mistake here. The triangle PAQ is similar to triangle. What I have written here? ACB. Now please modify it. Instead of writing ACB, what you should write here? ABC. Now check. Triangle PAQ, PAQ. So this will be ACB, CAB. Now check CAB. Now please check here. Check. PAQ. Where is PAQ? PAQ. Now CAB. CA. Very good. Matching. Now APQ. Where is APQ? APQ. So this is ACB. APQ equals to ACB. Now this is perfect because everything is matching here. Yes, everything is matching. So make sure the corresponding angle should be equal. Whenever you are writing the pair of similar triangle after doing the solution, don't be in hurry. Please write down everything so that every information should be fulfilled here. Is it clear? This is very important thing in triangle. So now you can write what we have to find here, CA. So don't worry. So we can write PA because triangle are similar. So PA by CA equal to PA by CA equal to AQ by, if I am taking AQ, corresponding will be AB. Okay. Now take PQ. Where is PQ? Okay, PQ. So if we are taking PQ, so the corresponding will be CB. I hope everything is clear. Now mark the values. PA. Where is PA? PA is 2.8 centimeter. Where is CA? CA. We have to find this CA. So keep it as it is. AQ. Where is AQ? AQ. We have to find AQ. AQ. Keep as it is. Keep it as it is. AB. Where is AB? AB. AB is 6.5. 6.5. Where is PQ? PQ is 4 centimeter. And where is BC? BC is 8 centimeter. Wow. Now to find CA, take these two pairs. So 2.8 divided by CA is equal to 4 by 8. So 4 will cancel this 2. Now cross multiply. So CA is equal to 28 into 2 will be 56. So 5.6 centimeter. Now to find AQ, take these two pairs. Okay. So AQ divided by 6.5 will be equal to 4 by 8. Now we can cancel here 2 to 4. So AQ, 2AQ is equal to 6.45. So AQ will be 6.5 divided by 2, which is equal to, the half of 6 is 3 and half of 5 is 2.5. So 2.5 centimeter answer. One is 5.6 and other is 3.25 centimeter. I hope you got the answer. Thanks for making the effort. Yep, Summer. Oh, Shreya. Wow. I have done by BPT. BPT? How you're chill? It's normal. You guys are so funny here, my dear. So who did this question well? Apply BPT, then to cross multiply. So this is not BPT, my dear. See, BPT is when you got two sides, joining 2 points on two sides is parallel to third side, then only BPT applied. So basically this is the property of two similar triangle. In two similar triangle, the corresponding sides are also remain in same ratio. This is all about. Okay, my dear? Okay. But there is no any normal method, buddy. You have to go through this. Until you prove the triangle, you do not prove the triangle similar to each other. You cannot take the corresponding sides in same ratio. Please. So to write the corresponding sides are in same ratio, you have to prove the triangles are similar. And to show the triangle similarity, you have to use any similarity criteria. Just I did here. So this was wrong and this was right. So when you are writing the triangle similar to each other, please make sure every information should be fulfilled there. So let me erase this. It might be confusing you guys. Okay, I hope everything is clear. So moving to question number 15, the last question. Yeah, BC is given parallel to PQ, my dear, but BC is part of different triangle and PQ is part of different triangle. BPT, when BPT is applied? BPT is applied when the sides present in the same triangle, my dear. This side, the first side, look, the first side is of different triangle and this side is of different triangle. So this is not BPT. BPT is applied when this side is also present in this triangle. When this side is parallel to this, then only BPT applied, my dear. I hope this is clear to you, Summer. Give me thumbs up if this is clear to you. Okay, Summer, don't get confused, buddy. Okay, moving to question number 15. Now try this question. Don't worry. I'm here. Try this question. Okay. Okay. Vaishnavi, the next class will be, don't worry, the next class will schedule soon, and on this channel the information will be there. So keep coming on the channel so that you can get the schedule and all of any upcoming sessions. Don't worry. And go in WhatsApp channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe. And if you are not in WhatsApp group, our official group, go and join the official group of Deeksha Vedantu. Okay? Shruti, is it clear? Shruti, give me thumbs up, please. Okay, now try this question, assertion in region. Wow. Look at the question. So there are 4 options, don't worry. Look at the assertion first. The assertion is the perimeter of triangle ABC is a rational number. Find the perimeter first. So perimeter, the sum of all the boundaries of circle. The sum of all the boundaries. So this is 2, this is 3. So the hypotenuse, this is 90 degree here. So hypotenuse will be 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So this is root 13. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter of triangle ABC. So perimeter is, look, the sum of a square. 2 square is 4. Simple. And take 3. 3 square is 9. And if we do the summation of these two, so 13 is also rational number. So assertion is false, but reason is true. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Option number D is correct answer. Okay, who answered correct? Yeah, to get the notification, you have to subscribe the channel, Vaishnavi. Please, my dear kid, go and subscribe button so that you can get the notification on time of every coming sessions. Don't worry. Yes, Shruti is correct. Shruti, you answered well. Option number D is correct. So thank you so much, my dear Golu Molu, my dear champion, for being here. And all the very best. My blessings are always with you. But blessings are not always works. Your hard work will pay off. Your hard work will give you the result. So please start doing preparation with full dedication, my dear champions, with extremely, and I'm pretty sure you guys are putting your you're doing extremely hard work for your board exam to get good result. So please, thank you so much, Vaishnavi. Yes, thank you so much.